Hello everyone! How are you, my amazing followers? I hope you're all doing well and feeling great. Today I've got an incredible recipe for you, one that everyone loves, chocolate croissants. This recipe is easy and delicious, and all you need are a few simple ingredients and some step-by-step instructions to make perfectly flaky and tasty croissants. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new recipes. And don't forget to like the video if you enjoy it and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Your support really motivates me to keep bringing you more content. All right, let's get started with preparing the croissant dough. First, we need to gather the ingredients. In a large bowl, mix 1 cup of water with 1 cup of milk. Then, add 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, a pinch of salt, and a little sugar. Mix the ingredients well with a whisk or a large fork until the sugar dissolves and the yeast is evenly distributed in the liquid. We'll leave this mixture aside for about 10 minutes until it starts to bubble and rise a bit, which means the yeast is activated. Once we see that the mixture has some small bubbles and has started to rise, we'll add 1 egg white and continue mixing. Next, we'll add 5 teaspoons of vegetable oil. We'll mix the ingredients again until everything is well combined. Now comes the important part, adding the flour. We'll need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and we'll add it gradually, little by little, while continuously stirring. We'll keep mixing and kneading until we have a smooth, elastic dough that isn't sticky or too dry, and feels soft to the touch. Now that we've stacked and layered the dough, we'll use a knife to cut the dough into half, then into quarters, then into eighths, and finally into 16 small triangles. Now comes the fun part, filling. We'll take some chocolate, whether dark or milk, and place a little bit in each triangle. Then we'll roll each triangle from the base to the tip, forming the classic croissant shape. After shaping all the croissants, we'll arrange them on a baking tray, making sure they're spaced apart so they don't stick together while baking. We'll cover the tray and let the croissants rise again for about an hour. This step is essential to ensure the croissants become light and airy on the inside. Once the croissants have risen, we'll brush them with an egg yolk mixed with a bit of milk to give them a shiny golden colour when baked. We'll then place the tray in a preheated oven at around 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake them for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and fill the kitchen with the aroma of butter and chocolate. Finally, after they've cooled a bit, they're ready to enjoy. The croissants will be wonderfully flaky on the outside, soft and buttery on the inside, with the melted chocolate adding a delightful sweetness. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found the recipe helpful. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload new recipes. And of course, share your photos and experiences in the comments or on my social media accounts. Thank you so much for your ongoing support, and I'll see you in the next video with a new and delicious recipe. Take care.